Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome to Maths class. Children, what we learned in the last class? Yes, we learned equal sharing and repeated subtraction. Shall we recall? Children, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 badams. I like to share this among 4 of my friends. Children, I am going to share this one by one among my 4 friends. Let's see how I am going to share. Friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4. First step, I have 12 badams. First step, I have 12 badams. I am going to share among 4 of my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 12 badams, I have shared 4 badams. So, 12 minus 4 equal to, yes, 8. Remaining I have 8 badams. Second step, I am going to share these 8 badams among 4 of my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4 equal to 8 minus 4, 4. Remaining I have 4 badams. Next, third step, I am going to share these 4 badams among 4 of my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So, I don't have anything. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Children, I have shared 12 badams among 4 of my friends by giving them 1 badam in each step. So, each one has got 1, 2, 3. 3 badams. I have shared in 3 steps. It can be written as the subtraction factors 12 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. The division factors 12 divided by 4 equal to, how many steps I have shared? 1, 2, 3. 3. The division factors 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Children, now I am going to share these 12 badams among 3 of my friends. Friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. Step 1, I have 12 badams. I am going to share one by one badams among 3 of my friends. So, 12 minus 3 equal to, yes, 9. Remaining I have 9 badams. Step 2, I am going to share these 9 badams among 3 of my friends. Nine minus 3 equal to, yes, 6. Remaining I have 6 badams. Next, step 3. I have 6 badams. I am going to share among 3 of my friends. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 equal to? Yes, 3. Remaining I have 3 badams. Step 4. I have 3 badams. I am going to share this among my friends. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 3 equal to? Yes, 0. The subtraction factors? Yes, 12 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. The division factors 12 divided by 3 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. 4. Rangama has 40 lemons and she arranged 5 lemons in each group. Children, shall we find the number of groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lemons in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 groups. So, 40 divided by 5 equal to 8. Let's draw the number line. Here, she arranged 5 lemons in each group. So, we have to draw the number lines for the multiples of 5. 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. These are the multiples of 5. We already learned multiples of 5 in multiplication table. Next, Rangama has got 36 coconuts and arranges them into group of 4 each. Find the number of groups. First, we are going to find the number of groups. Each group has, yes, 4 coconuts. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 36 coconuts. Children, in your book there are 38 coconuts. So, leave these 2 coconuts and draw 4 coconuts in group. The number statement is 36. 36 divided by 4 equal to, let's count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's draw the number line. Here we have 4. So, we have to write the multiples of 4 that we learnt in the multiplication table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 and 36. Let's draw the number line. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Next, Rangama has got 48 gooseberries and arranges them into group of 6 each. Find the number of groups. Children, let's arrange these gooseberries in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 groups. So the number statement is 48 divided by 6 equal to how many groups, children? Yes, 8 groups. Shall we draw the number line? Here we have 6. So we have to write the multiples of 6, which means 6th table up to 48. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Let's draw the number line. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Next, find few other ways that Rangama can group these 48 gooseberries and write the number statements. Children, let's find other ways that Rangama can group these gooseberries, which means we have to check the multiplication table so that we can able to group these gooseberries in equal group. First, 48 divided by 1 equal to 48. We can able to divide 48 in 1. Next, 48 divided by 2. We can able to divide 48 in 2. 48 divided by 2 equal to 24. Next, 48 divided by 3. We can able to divide 48 in 3. 48 divided by 3 equal to 16. Next, 48 divided by 4. Children, check the fourth table. We can able to divide this in fourth table. So, 48 divided by 4 equal to 12. Next, 48 divided by, we cannot divide this in 5. So, we can move to next table, that is 6th table. 48 divided by 6 equal to 8. Next, 48 divided by, we cannot divide this in 7. So, we can move to 8th table. 48 divided by 8 equal to 6. Next, 48 divided by 12 equal to 4. Next, 48 divided by 16 equal to 3. Next, 48 divided by 24 equal to 2. Next, 48 divided by 48 equal to 1. Next, divide 8 balls into a group of 2 each. Children, let's arrange these balls in a group of 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, 8 divided by 2 equal to, how many groups are here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Next, divide 15 oranges into a group of 3 each. Let's arrange in threes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, 15 divided by 3 equal to, children, how many groups are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Next, divide 20 cups into groups of 5 each. Let's arrange these cups in a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 20 divided by 5 equal to, tell me children, how many groups are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 groups. 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. Next, multiplication and division. Children, multiplication and division are reverse operations. Multiplication means, yes, we have to find the total. In division, from the total, we have shared. I have shared 4 badams among 3 of my friends. The total number of badam is 4 3s are 12. For division, we are going to share these total. I have 12 badams. I am going to divide this among 3 of my friends. Each one has got 4 badams. Next time I have shared 12 badams among 4 of my friends. Each one has got, yes, 3 badams. Children, let us complete the multiplication fact into division fact. Children, we already learnt that multiplication and division are reverse operations. Children, in multiplication, we will find the total number of things, objects, etc. In division, we will share the things, objects, etc. from the total. Children, I already told you, for division, we are going to separate the total. In multiplication, product is the total. Children, first we will divide using multiplicand. So, product divided by multiplicand equal to multiplier. Here the product is 3. Multiplicand is 1 and the multiplier is 3. So, 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. Second one, product is 6, multiplicand 2, multiplier 3. So, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Next, the product is 9, multiplicand 3, multiplier 3. So, the division fact is 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Next, the product is 12, multiplicand 4, multiplier 3. So, the division fact is 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Next, the product is 15, multiplicand 5, multiplier 3. So, the division fact is 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Next, the product is 18, multiplicand 6, multiplier 3. So, the division fact is 18 divided by 6 equal to 3. Here, the product is 21, multiplicand 7, multiplier 3. So, the division fact is 21 divided by 7 equal to 3. Next, the product is 24, multiplicand 8, multiplier 3. The division fact is 24 divided by 8 equal to 3. Next, the product is 27, multiplicand 9 and the multiplier 3. So, the division fact is 27 divided by 9 equal to 3. Next, the product is 30, multiplicand 10, multiplier 3. So, the division fact is 30 divided by 10 equal to 3. Children, let's divide using multiplier. So, product divided by multiplier equal to multiplicand. First, 3 is the product. 3 is multiplier. 1 is multiplicand. So, the division fact is 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. Next, 6 is the product. 3 is the multiplier. 2 is the multiplicand. So, the division fact is 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Next, 9 is the product, 3 is the multiplier, 3 is the multiplicand. So, the division fact is 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Next, 12 is the product, 3 is the multiplier and 4 is the multiplicand. So, the division fact is 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Next, 15 is the product, 3 multiplier, 5 multiplicand. So, the division fact is 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Next, 18 is the product, 3 multiplier and 6 multiplicand. So, the division fact is 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. Next, 21 is the product, 3 multiplier and 7 multiplicand. So, the division fact is 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. Next, 24 is the product, 3 is multiplier and 8 is multiplicand. So, the division fact is 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. Next, 27 is the product, 3 is multiplier and 9 is multiplicand. So the division fact is 27 divided by 3 equal to 9. Next, 30 is the product, 3 is multiplier and 10 is multiplicand. So the division fact is 30 divided by 3 equal to 10. Children, let's complete the fourth table in the same way. First, we will use multiplicand. The method is product divided by multiplicand equal to multiplier. First one, 4 divided by 1 equal to 4. Next, 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. 36 divided by 9 equal to 4. 40 divided by 10 equal to 4. Children, the next method is product divided by multiplier equal to multiplicand. So, the division facts are 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. 28 divided by 4 equal to 7. 32 divided by 4 equal to 8. 36 divided by 4 equal to 9. 40 divided by 4 equal to 10. Children, let's complete the division fact for fifth table. First, we are going to use the method product divided by multiplicand equal to multiplier. So, the division facts are 5 divided by 1 equal to 5. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. 35 divided by 7 equal to 5. 40 divided by 8 equal to 5. 45 divided by 9 equal to 5. 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. Children, let's use the another method, that is product divided by multiplier equal to multiplicand. The division facts are 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. 35 divided by 5 equal to 7. 40 divided by 5 equal to 8. 45 divided by 5 equal to 9. 50 divided by 5 equal to 10. Children, let's complete the division fact for 10th table. First, we are going to use the method product divided by multiplicand equal to multiplier. So, the division facts are 10 divided by 1 equal to 10. 20 divided by 2 equal to 10.
30 divided by 3 equal to 10. 40 divided by 4 equal to 10. 50 divided by 5 equal to 10. 60 divided by 6 equal to 10. 70 divided by 7 equal to 10. 80 divided by 8 equal to 10. 90 divided by 9 equal to 10. 100 divided by 10 equal to 10. Children, let's use the another method, which is product divided by multiplier equal to multiplicand. The division facts are 10 divided by 10 equal to 1. 20 divided by 10 equal to 2. 30 divided by 10 equal to 3. 40 divided by 10 equal to 4. 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. 60 divided by 10 equal to 6. 70 divided by 10 equal to 7. 80 divided by 10 equal to 8. 90 divided by 10 equal to 9. 100 divided by 10 equal to 10.
Children, let's divide and find the quotient. 20 divided by 4. I already told you division is the reverse operation of multiplication. Let's say the fourth table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Here we have 20. 4 into 5s are 20. So 20 divided by 4 equal to, yes, 5. Second one, 10 divided by 2. Let's see the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. 2 into 5s are 10. So 10 divided by 2 equal to, yes, 5. Third one, 24 divided by 3. Let's say the multiplication table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21,
3 eights are 24. 3 into 8 equal to 24. 24 divided by 3 equal to, yes, 8.
Next, fourth one, 10 divided by 10. Let's say the 10th table. 10 ones are 10. So, 10 divided by 10 equal to, yes, 1. Next, 30 divided by 5. Let's say fifth table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. Next, 14 divided by 2. Let's say the second table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14. 2 into 7s are 14. So, 14 divided by 2 equal to 7.
Thank you. Have a nice day.